Number patterns and sequences. Sequences are just patterns of numbers or shapes that follow a rule. The trick to finding the rule for the number patterns is to write down what you have to do to get from one number to the next in the gaps between the numbers. There are two main types to look out for. Arithmetic sequences. This is where you add or subtract by the same number each time. And geometric sequences. Multiply or divide by the same number each time. You may get a number pattern that follows a different rule. For example, you might have to add or subtract a changing number each time, or add together the two previous terms. You just need to describe the pattern and use your rule to find the next term. If you have a pattern of shapes, you need to be able to continue the pattern. You might also have to find the rule for the pattern to work out how many shapes there will be in the later pattern. When you've figured out the rule, check it works for all the terms that you've been given. If it doesn't work for one of them, then it's not the correct rule and you'll need to find a different one. You might have to find an expression for the nth term of a sequence. This is a rule with n in it, like 5n take away 3. It gives every term in a sequence when you put in different values for n. This method works for sequences with a common difference, where you add or subtract the same number each time. You may be given the nth term and asked if a certain value is in the sequence. The trick here is to set the expression equal to that value and solve it to find n. If n is a whole number, the value is in the sequence. It might be even easier to decide if a number is in the sequence or not. For example, if the sequence was all odd numbers, there is no way an even number could be in the sequence.